My next video, 5 pros, 5 cons about this truck, and maybe a little 0 to 60 pull. What's up guys, welcome back to Mooch Life. Today we're going over the Silverado. I'm going to explain to you guys how to afford a brand new pickup truck on a modest budget. If you're coming to me from the Truck Central channel, thank you so much for checking out their video, and thank you for coming to mine. If you're checking out my channel for the first time before you saw, go over to Truck Central and check out my video. It's an actual ownership review of my 2018 Silverado 1500 Z71. So as a geeky Chevrolet fanboy, what I have for you today is I have the window sticker from my old truck, which is a 2011 Sierra Crew Cab SLE non-Z71. And on the other side of the truck here, what I have for you is this truck that you're looking at, the 2018 Silverado 1500 Z71 double cab. I really love the way that the frames hang in my office room, and I can look at them and just say, I'm a damn proud GM owner. So what we have here is the window stickers. I like to keep them. It just shows the price difference. And today in this video, what we want to do is I have 5 points that I think are important to consider if you're trying to afford a brand new truck, but you can't afford that sticker price. A brand new truck, even in a modest trim level like this, is going to run you almost $50,000. That's like Mercedes-Benz territory. How do you get into that if you work a normal job and you don't make a ton of money? Maybe you can't afford a $800 a month payment on a car. How do you get into one of these trucks? And today I'm going to try to help you answer that question. So first, quickly, one of the things I want to iterate is the sticker price on this 2011 Sierra, $39,610. That's the window sticker on that truck. Now, this truck I bought used, 1 year old, and it only had 9,000 miles on it. And I actually got that out the door for $28,000. So I saved 10 grand on a slightly used truck, and GM transfers their warranty, so it's really nice. That's one of the biggest things to consider when trying to get into a new truck at 50 grand. You might not be able to afford a $50,000 truck. You have to be real with yourself and maybe consider getting a used truck first, paying that off, working your way up to a brand new truck, and that's exactly what I did. So if we come on over to the other window sticker, you'll notice that the sticker price on this truck was $47,475, which is almost $10,000 more dollars, but you get a more powerful V8 and better technology in the cabin, and just a 9-year newer truck. That's what you get. So that's first and so that's my first tip. Be realistic with yourself. If you work out a payment deal and it's way out of your price range, find a great deal online and go used, maybe a year or two used. Save yourself some money there. Pay that truck off first, and then you take the trade-in value on that and you apply it towards a new vehicle. Trucks hold their value exceptionally well. Mid-size trucks, full-size trucks, even a lot of SUVs out there in the market. The trade-in value is phenomenal. It'll help you a ton when you're trying to get into a new vehicle. And without the trade-in value from this truck, I wouldn't have been able to afford the payments on that one. So that's my biggest tip for getting into a new vehicle. Another important tip is this truck is a 2018 Silverado. If you don't know, this is the last year of this model before GM did a total overhaul for the Silverado. It's a personal opinion, but I feel that dealerships, when they're trying to bring in a brand new model and they're marketing it heavily, they're going to try to clear as much space as they can on their lots to get those vehicles in there. So deals are to be had on last model years, which the 18 was that. So you look at my sticker price and you saw $47,000, but incentives from the dealership actually brought the price down to about 37, I believe it was. It might have been 38. I don't remember what the rebates were called, but they were there. Now, in 2018, when this truck first came out and hit lots, there's no incentives. So that's another tip I feel is important. Unless you have to have the vehicle right away because you need the newest thing, wait about a year and then there's going to be deals. And you can look at this Chevrolet Blazer right over here, and what's awesome about this truck is this was a deal too. They saved about $10,000 buying this. Whoa, Revy Rev McRevers. Whoa, Revy Rev McRevers. But this vehicle here had some money to be saved on as well, because it was a 2019 model and it was the last one on the lot, and they're trying to get them all out of there so they can get the 2020s on the lot. So there's always great deals kicking in when they're trying to get rid of last year's models. So another big tip, it's an important one, is be patient, save some money. If you don't need a new truck immediately and you just want one, be realistic and save some money first. A bigger down payment equates to a lesser monthly payment when you buy the vehicle. So when you couple all those things together, like I said, saving some money, getting the last year model, looking for the incentives, and the trade-in value from maybe if you had to buy a used truck first that you couldn't afford the brand new one. You put all those things together, you go from a $48,000 sticker price down to $38,000 with incentives, and I got $16,000 on a trade-in value for my truck, which brought it down to like, I don't know, it was like something like 24,000 or something like that. Don't know the math exactly. And then you put a couple $1,000s down because you're able to save. Now you just took a $48,000 sticker price truck and you're financing less than $20,000, which will give you a 5-year loan for less than $400 a month. And that's how you get into a brand new truck. So be patient, save your money, buy a used truck first if you have to, pay it off, and get yourself into a brand new Chevy Silverado.
Okay, say it again?
And get yourself into a brand new.
Say it again.
And get yourself into a brand. What? And get yourself into a brand new Silverado.
Oh, it didn't go up. It doesn't go up fast. Like it goes real slow. I was gonna have it go.
So there's like 3 to 5 good tips there. They're common sense tips, but maybe some of you guys need a little bit help on trying to figure out how to afford a new vehicle, and hopefully that helps you. So if you came to my channel from Truck Central, please consider subscribing to me. I'll be making more videos with them and on my channel as well, Mooch Life. Make sure you subscribe to me. Hit the notification bell if you want to. My next video, 5 pros, 5 cons about this truck, and maybe a little 0 to 60 pull. So check me out on Mooch Life, where we rev this engine. Peace out.
Thank you.